Have you ever tried to sleep, but your brain just won't shut up? You close your eyes, but the stress, the to-do list, and that awkward thing you said 5 years ago keep playing on repeat. Well, the US military found a way to make soldiers fall asleep in just 2 minutes. And the crazy part? It works even on the battlefield. This sleep method was developed during World War II. Navy pilots were under intense pressure. Lack of sleep led to poor decisions and even crashes. So the military commissioned a solution, and after testing 100-plus soldiers, they created a step-by-step sleep formula. It worked so well, it became standard training for pilots and special forces. And today, sleep scientists say the method is not just military tested, it's brain approved. Here's why it works. When we're stressed, our sympathetic nervous system stays active, keeping the brain alert. To fall asleep fast, we need to switch to parasympathetic mode, the state of calm and rest. This trick basically hacks your nervous system. Step by step, it relaxes your body, lowers your heart rate, and calms your mind. Think of it like shutting down a computer, one part at a time. Ready? Here's the exact military method. Follow these steps every night or when you need a fast reset. Step 1. Relax your face completely. That means your forehead, cheeks, eyes, and even your tongue. Let it all go. Step 2. Drop your shoulders. Let them sink. Then release your arms one by one. Step 3. Exhale and relax your chest. Feel your lungs deflate, slow and soft. Step 4. Loosen your legs. Start with your thighs, then knees, then ankles. Total release. Step 5. Clear your mind. Imagine you're lying in a canoe, floating on a calm lake under the stars. Still thinking? Then say to yourself, don't think, don't think, don't think. Repeat it slowly for 10 seconds. According to military tests, over 90% of people master this in 6 weeks. Most people can't sleep because they don't know how to turn off. They go to bed with a buzzing mind and a tense body. But sleep isn't something you force. It's something you invite. This method teaches your brain and body a powerful lesson. Relaxation is a skill, and like any skill, you can train it. Try it tonight. No phones, no lights, just you and this method. Don't wait until exhaustion forces you to rest. Take back control. Own your night, and you'll own your day. Fuel your mind. Shape your life. This is MindFuel.